Welcome to this presentation on A100 MV2.5V Burst Mode Constant ON Time Controlled Battery Charger with 92 peak efficiency and integrated FOCV technique. This research was conducted by Murli Krishna Rajendran et al. And published in 23rd January 2019. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. The inception of smart city and smart dust units paves way for increased application of wireless sensor nodes WSNS in addition to their other classical usages, such as military applications, disaster management, structural health monitoring, and agricultural field monitoring. Scavenging energy from renewable sources such as solar, thermal, vibration, wind, RF greatly reduces this predicament of human intervention for battery replenishment. The proposed system utilizes a burst mode constant ON time BMCOT control strategy for a boost converter. This strategy involves finding an optimal inductor energized time TON to maximize converter efficiency across a given input voltage range. The methodology incorporates a fully digital burst mode controller, which is asynchronous and eliminates the need for high-frequency oscillators, thus reducing power consumption of the input comparator. The proposed BMCOT-controlled battery charger is designed and fabricated in standard 180 NMC-MOS technology, occupying an active area of 1.4 mm to the power 2. Measurement results show a peak converter efficiency of 92 at 90 MW of input power for an output voltage of 3 volt. The converter operates across a wide input voltage range of 100 mV to 2.5 volt, corresponding to an input power range of 50 mW to 100 MW. A minimum efficiency of 30 is achieved at 70 mW input power. The developed BMCOT controlled battery charger presents a significant improvement over conventional energy harvesting charger designs. The integration of burst mode control with an optimal constant ON time strategy effectively addresses the efficiency limitations often encountered when using low power comparators in SMET configurations. This paper presents a 100 V 2.5 V burst mode constant ON time BMC OT controlled battery charger with a peak efficiency of 92 and an integrated fractional open circuit voltage FOCV maximum power point tracking MPPT technique. The proposed system achieves a wide input voltage range of 100 mV to 2.5 volt and an input power range of 50 mW to 100 W.